revolution will be live.
What's going on, YouTube? ZX Predator here, and we've been putting like a diarrhea of content. My brother-in-law got this bike over here doing his thing. You know, you've seen in the last two videos that I put up, depending on the order I put them in. But oh, hey, I want to give a shout out to Ghost Biker Helmets. I gotta put this up here. You know, happy Halloween. Today is the 31st. We're out and about doing our thing, but you got all my other helmets. Now that we hooked up the Predator's Den, we're actually doing a project with my very first helmet, trying to make it look more like the bio stuff. But stay tuned for that. But yeah, all the helmets are here. The Batman Hellbat, all that, which is not DOT approved, but we're gonna get that off and popping. But this is the main event. Shout out to Rezzer Customs. Make sure you check them out. Any purchase you make sure you use my promo code ZX Predator. Shout out to Olga and Crit. Make sure you tell them ZX Predator sent you. So with that being said, we're gonna knock this out. So what could this be? All right. So Rezzer Customs has been doing some experimentation, so I got to prototype test this. Going to JFK. So yeah, man, let's see what's in the box. What's in the box? Oh crap, another Predator helmet. Let's see. Oh, looks like it got a different visor. Yeah, we have gone away from the flip visor technology. Yeah, I told them I like the flip visor. It's pretty cool. But yes, oh man, getting into it. Got some extra dreads. I'm actually not gonna use the bear claw tips because one day it made it sound like bing. Yeah, it gave me a ring in my ear. So got this out. Yeah, let's see what this is. Open this up. Put like a balloon up back there. So I have to thank my brother-in-law. He's been my tag team partner. Him and my cousin Garvin on the channel. I don't want to be like the only guy, but shout out to HJC for being donors to the Predator helmets. So let's see. Oh crap. Oh. What the heck is this? Skeletor meets Predator? Wait a minute. This is very different. So pussy.
That's amazing.
This is that paint job. I think this is Predator, Skeletor, Terminator all in one. They're trying something different. Literally, it looks like the Predator Hunter. But yeah. I should ride around with this for Halloween. So pussy.
This one is amazing.
Yeah, what the
This
heck?
one is nice. I think I kind of like this one a lot.
Yeah, my brother-in-law might wear it. We'll see.
Wow.
This is crazy. This is crazy. All right, Predator skull. I don't know how we're gonna call it. Damn, this is intimidating. Very scary. So I should do a test ride on that bike, but
You can. Try it.
matter of fact, yeah, we'll be right back. Well, I like this. I like this one. So, make sure you rate, comment, subscribe. Check out Rezzer Customs. I'll see you later. Look at this. Look at this.
Oh.
Wow.
Yeah, this is Halloween.
Happy Halloween shit.
Well,
Okay. Oh, see
that, what's gonna be the next ride? Yeah, we'll keep it clean.
Okay.
Alright.